Hello everyone. Well, it's been probably a week since I made videos, and the reason be is we keep getting snow and we keep getting so much cold weather and blizzards after blizzards after blizzards that we haven't had time to even get batteries for our vehicles to start them and do videos. Well, it's getting so bad that my Mercedes couldn't make it, so I had to get the big beast in. Let's kind of look at my windshield here. It looks like it's kind of, you see that? It looks weird. Yeah, it looks like it's busted or something. Yeah, who knows. But anyway, got a problem with this one. The transfer case pump is rubbing through, so I'll have to get some JB weld and redo that and check the oil in there before I run it too much. But look at all that snow in the back. You won't be able to see, well, you can. See, my car currently fit through there without bottoming out, and you can't see there, see. So, it's, my Bobcat don't run, it's not here anymore. Look at all the oil it leaked. Yeah, it's shot. I was hoping it'd make it, but no, she died. So, got this thing in, got a brand new battery in this. Oh, I forgot to check the oil. Yeah, doesn't matter. Anyway, I never looked in the engine, I guess. So you have to bump the wall to get the fit in here. When's the last time I changed oil on this thing? I think it's been a year ago. Yeah, 1 year ago I changed oil on this thing. When did I change oil? Yeah, it's a long time to not change oil. I gotta look at the date on here. It's 216. Oh, geez, I know. I just got 1,000 miles in 1 year on this thing. That's it. Jesus. 1,000 miles in 1 year. Jeez. Well, we should change oil anyway, because oil does break down, get moisture in there, you know, sitting there running around town. But that's pretty bad. Change oil. I haven't changed oil for over a year. It'll be a year now. And I only got 1,000 miles on oil change. Okay. Mercedes has got 3,000 miles on it already. Oh God, yeah. See it? Yeah, we got ourselves a pump rubbed through. I do got the kit for it, but I just haven't, you know, want to take it to a dealer or whatever. So, see if I can grind that off, clean it up, put a little more JB weld on there, and see if it'll hold for a little bit longer. I'm hoping. I'm hoping there's oil in there. I'm guessing probably not. Should leak any engine oil? That's the oil pan leaking, I found out. The dealership said the oil pan gasket's out. They said they charged to replace that and the rear housing that I already got for 400 bucks. I don't know if that's a good deal. Look at the rust. Oh boy. Yep, that's a Chevy for you. Is the rear end leaking? Oh, I'm surprised. Usually the rear ends leak on them damn things. Nothing else is leaking. Pretty shocked. But yeah, so that's the deal. There's just hasn't been any videos. It's been too darn cold here. It's actually 6 below 0 right now, and I'm busy, so I know I got a Snapchat. I just haven't had time to use it, so bear with me. So I mean, I'm doing the best I can, and I'll get a video out when I can, so that's all I can say. So just an update video. I gotta get that transfer case fixed. Maybe I'll do a video on that tomorrow. Yeah, instead of using my DSLR, I'll use my camcorder because it's much easier. How about we do that?